Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete all Snapchat message in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Snapchat app. Okay, click on chats option. Click on someone and press. Okay, then tap on profile icon, click on settings, scroll down, click on clear data, tap on clear conversation, just click, then someone, tap on cross icon, tap on clear. Are you sure you want to clear this conversation? Okay, tap on clear. That's all. Then back. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.